In today's video, we are going to show you how to analyze charts on Olymp Trade. Even if you are a complete beginner, we will cover the different chart types, time frames, trend analysis, technical indicators, and how to combine everything before entering a trade. So let's begin by logging in using your credentials. From the trading dashboard, I want you to hover on the left side panel of your account and go to the trades section. Here you can select any asset that you'd like to analyze. You can use a fixed time, forex, stocks, or you can simply go to the explore assets. In this case, I am going to choose a fixed time, and the common and most ideal asset to analyze for beginners is going to be the Euro to USD OTC. Once selected, the price chart will automatically load in the center of your screen. This is where we will perform all of our market analysis. Now, at the bottom left corner, you will see that there is like a toolbar. And from here, you can choose a different chart types. You see this chart types right here. You can choose from area chart. You can choose from a Japanese candlesticks. And of course, you can use Heiken Ashi, and you can use bars. For technical analysis, especially for beginners, candlestick charts are the most ideal and the most popular because they clearly display the market's opening, closing, highest, and lowest prices during each time period. If you're just starting out, we highly recommend using candlesticks. Now, you need to choose your chart time frame. Above the chart types, you can choose 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 20, 30, 1 minute, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour until 4 hours or 7 days. The idea is lower time frames shows short-term market movement. And of course, higher time frames reveal the overall market trend. So basically, many traders analyze higher time frames first before switching to lower ones for entry opportunities. Now, before entering any trade, determine whether the market is trending upward or trending downward, or sometimes moving sideways. An uptrend creates higher highs and lower lows. So we're going to go back to the 5 seconds because a downward trend creates lower highs and lower lows. So if the price is moving sideways without a clear direction, like you can see it from here, it may be best to wait for stronger market momentum. Remember, trading with the trend generally provides higher probability setups. Now, keep in mind before you place any real trade, decide how much you're willing to risk. So I'd like you to go to the top right corner where you can see the drop-down menu and click the demo account because you can practice trading without risking real money. Never invest your entire account balance on a single trade. Many experienced traders risk only a small percentage of their account on each position. Risk management is just as important as market analysis. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you analyze charts on Olymp Trade. By understanding all of these instruments and tools, you'll be able to make informed trading decisions. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.